Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian. I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. Just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Lunar Clubman SB 2017 that we've currently got in our used stock. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So in 2017, Lunar made the decision to go for this wonderful finish in black on that front locker box. You're benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. You've got an exterior barbecue point with wet locker box and 240-volt socket. You've also got these beautiful and wonderfully finished machine black alloys, and also access to underneath that single bed at the rear of the caravan. So stepping inside this particular caravan, the first thing that you see is a very spacious kitchen sideboard counter with worktop extension. You have a medium under counter fridge and also a 3 gas hob burner and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with underpan storage. You've got this beautiful two-tone effect on the wood and also an easy usable height microwave. The two-tone effect going through to the lounge area in cream over that wood effect with a wonderful panoramic sunroof at the front. You've got a large chest area with short pull-out table and PIR sensor for the alarm. You've got a television point at the front located just on the right and also individual switch-on spotlights. You've got this beautiful fabric scheme chosen for the Lunar range in 2017, which really offsets it and makes it look absolutely fantastic. You're benefiting from the Aldi wet central heating system and the Lunar command panel located above the habitation door. You have a second television point as you step in from the habitation door on the right hand side with further storage underneath and also a couple of unique shelves tucked away in the corner. One of the real features which really makes these caravans shine, I believe, is this wonderful full stretch sunroof that you see here, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, giving a fantastic feeling of space. So as we're moving towards the bedroom area, you've got a nice large wardrobe tucked on the right hand side with drawers located underneath and 2 very lengthy and widthy single beds. You've got the two-tone locker effect going throughout and then a third television point in the bedroom area should that be an option or consideration for you. As we step through to the bathroom area, Lunar being renowned for very, very spacious individual shower cubicles, also with fitted hanging rail. Nice medium-sized Hecky light in the bathroom and a high quality of finish on the sink with further storage underneath. Also benefiting from the Alda wet central heated towel rail and further storage there. You have individual touch dimmable spotlights located throughout the caravan, so you can really set the mood in your caravan to what suits you. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this Clubman SB 2017 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. I hope you enjoy the walk round tour and we look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye now.